Okay, for the center is center hole punch. This one, this round one, and center hole on the top side. You see the blade on the top, cut hole there, top. And for the side hole punch, we use this one. Use part for the side hole punch. And here you should stick. Assemble this one to control the paper. This one to control the paper. 不需要两边吗？
不是啊，就这样，你是机器了我的这样。
This one is depends on the punch knife. Punch knife, then you assemble. These two pieces to control the paper. Press the paper down. After die cut. The hose is like this one. 等一下啊，等一下别挤。
这个 start 那个上面。
Here is a hole punch. Air hole punch, two pieces. This is emboss. The two pieces together. See? Two pieces match together. This one upside. Assemble on the top side. This part assemble the downside, the underside. You see? Underside. Here is either assemble. You see? This one either assemble. Here, loose this part. Loose the board and assemble inside. You can adjust the location. This one is for one pieces and another. This one for emboss. This one and for this one for hole, for side drink hole together. This one is female side. This one is 这个是上的啊。
这个是上面。
This one upside. This one upside.
漏的下面。
You see here. Here's a hole punch blade. This one is punch blade. This part is punch blade. This part is punch blade, and this one is make the emboss. And this has the air hole. Here is 2 millimeter punch blade, and here is emboss. The hole after punch, paper inside. Paper go to inside. This one on the top side, top part. And this one together. This one on the top side. This one is together. And another hole. Here is the side hole for the cold drink and something. This side hole is blade. This one assemble is center. This hole is center. This is blade here. You can use sponge. You can stick sponge. Or loaded sponge, use this one press the paper. And this one is also another hole. And this one also can use for center hole. And this one is another type hole. Of course, this one also can use for center. This one can use for center. This one can use for side hole, and also for center. And this one also. And this one is on the top side. The bottom part you need a flat edge, flat part to cut on this one. That means afterwards sponge, this one assembled. These two pieces. These two pieces. This one on the top part. This one on the top part. And this one, this bottom part is assembled here. Assembled downstairs. Of course, you should take the paper. You should take the paper, you see? Take the paper and assemble. Assemble inside. 好，现在不要，没关系，没关系。take the paper. Take the paper. We take the paper, you see? You can fit here. Of course, you should lose the board. Lose the board. Lose the board. Lose the board and put inside. So assemble this part is simple and easy. These two pieces together. See? These two pieces together. Here. Assemble on the top. This one on the bottom. If you want to change this side, this one, these two pieces. If you want to change this hole, these two pieces. If you want to change this hole, these two pieces. These two pieces. And if you want to punch this hole, these two pieces, assemble. This part on the top, this part on the top side, move, assemble here, assemble inside. These top parts, blade, the blade, and this bottom parts. And if you want to punch this hole, this drink hole, top part put here, and the bottom part put here. Of course, you can punch a hole, the drink hole here. The drink hole you can put this side or this side. You can put this side. This side the drink hole, and the air hole, this side. This one air hole this side. Air hole. Of course, while you assemble, you should move this off, and after you assemble, then you put here. This is the air hole. Here is the air hole this side. Air hole. And the punch, the drink hole. The drink hole on this side. The drink hole there. Okay. The drink hole put there. Put here. Assemble on this part, this side. You can move the location. Move the location to move the whole location. 好吧，现在这样吧。下次实际上有的时候再说吧。